Software. Software is a collection of interrelated programs to achieve a particular goal. Here, program is a set of instructions. It means software is a superset of program, or software is somewhat more than program. Program is having a less number of statements than the software, or software is having the collection of programs. A software is having interrelated programs, that is, all programs are working for a particular target. There are two types of software: system software and application softwares. Application software. An application software allows end users to accomplish his own task. Example: MS Office, games, databases, etc. Application software are installed on system software. Likewise, MS Office is installed on operating system, games are installed on operating system, databases are installed on operating system. So, operating system is one of the example of system software, but MS Office, games and databases, etc. are the examples of application software. Second is system software. System software controls the operations of computer system. It is directly installed on hardware. System software is bigger than the application software. It is directly installed on hardware. Application software can be a big one, but it is not necessarily that the size of system software is big. But if the application software size is big, then it will be heavier on the operating system. It allows to run application software. Example is operating system. Hardware. Hardware is the electronic circuit or device or physical component of a computer which runs the software, is known as hardware. It can be electronic circuit or device which runs the software. Likewise, CPU, monitor, hard disk, etc. Okay, so that is the software and hardware. We will study all these in detail in the next lecture. Keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.